Here we are told to find the roots of the given polynomial, given that x plus square root of 5 is a factor. So if x plus square root of 5 is a factor, one of the roots would have to be a negative square root of 5. And then also if one of the factors is x plus square root of 5, the other factor would have to be the conjugate, which is x minus square root of 5, which would then make the other root to be a positive square root of 5. So our two roots are going to be a negative square root of 5 and a positive square root of 5. So we just wrote those over here. And then what I can do at this point is I can use the fact that this the first term right here, the x to the third term, the coefficient would be adding all the roots together. And then out here, the constant term is going to be multiplying all the terms together, or all the roots together. So we know r1 times r2 times r3 times r4 is going to be a negative 20 because that's your constant term. So we just wrote that here. And then the roots added together is going to be 5 because right here is going to be a 5 in front of the x to the third term. And keep in mind the order of the signs. The first one's going to be negative and then positive and then negative and then positive. So if this is negative, then this is just going to be a regular 5 right here. This inside parentheses will be a regular 5 because out here is a negative. Okay, so what I have at this point is r1 plus r2. They would cancel. One's going to be negative square root of 5, the other's going to be positive square root of 5. So when I add them, those are going to cancel. I'm left with an r3 plus r4 equaling 5. And then over on this side, when I multiply r1 times r2, I have negative 5 as my answer. So r3 times r4, if I divide both sides by the negative 5, would give me a 4. So two numbers multiplied together to get 4 and added together to give me a 5. So the only possible answer is going to be a 1 and a 4, because multiplied they're going to give me 4, added together is going to give me 5. So my roots are going to be a 1, a 4, and then a positive square root of 5, and then a negative square root of 5. And just a quick little mental check is the number of roots is going to be the same as the degree of the polynomial. So if it's a fourth power or a fourth degree polynomial, there's going to be 4 roots. Fifth degree polynomial would have 5 roots, and etc. So we're good to go, and we are finished.